All right, Snow Riders, it is March 29th. It is exactly 8 a.m. and this is the Tahoe City traffic report. It is on. Still snowing, still bluebird powder days. I mean, it's an endless situation here, and it is just awesome as can be. Super feeling it today. Totally feeling like maybe fingers. Definitely been eyeballing the lines, and it's on. Right through the center. Look at this. Oh, what the? Nice. Oh, they're not. Got it at speed. Nice. Oh, got a winner. Oh, got a winner. See, that was the line, man. Did he make it out? I don't make it past that. That's what I figured. Did he make it? Yeah, it's dog race. He made it. Yeah, that counts. Ow! Alright then, it is 10:20, March 29. Good stuff today. A lot of people here. AT is just good, man. Bottomless, pow pow. Filed in real nice. I'm here on Washi Show. I'm sticking with Washi Show. The Washoe Indians and Washi Show Lift. This is my final answer. And I don't know, man. It's epic out here today. A lot of people out riding. Good pow turns. And more on the way. Doing it. Yeah. Alright then, it is about 12:30, March 29th, and I'm here on the Washi Show, Washi Shoe, you know, Washi Show, it's my final answer. Yeah, March 29th, about 12:30. I forgot to turn on my tracker today. I've been meaning to track. I've been all over the place today, and just came off a hog's back again, sick, off the head wall, but I think I'm gonna head up to Saibo. They got a pretty long line down there at head wall, so I enjoyed the one run up head wall though, off of hog's back, and yeah, epic day today, March 29th, Palisades 2023.